Plant FAQs, Syngonium milk confetti. Syngonium milk confetti, your guide to the variegated beauty. Hi there, Furbu here. Today we're diving into the world of the stunning Syngonium milk confetti. This houseplant boasts a mesmerizing mix of colors on its leaves, making it a true conversation starter. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know to keep your Syngonium milk confetti thriving. See more 41 species in genus Syngonium. Arrowhead plant at monsteraholic.com. What is a Syngonium milk confetti? The Syngonium milk confetti, also known as Syngonium podophyllum milk confetti, is a captivating variety of the arrowhead vine. It's prized for its unique foliage, featuring a base of milky green adorned with splashes of pink and mint green. This variegation creates a confetti-like effect, hence the name. This tropical wonder is native to rainforests in Central and South America. It thrives in warm, humid environments and enjoys climbing, making it ideal for moss poles or hanging baskets. Light requirements: sunshine or shade. The Syngonium milk confetti prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Direct sun exposure can scorch its delicate leaves. Aim for a spot near an east-facing window where it receives morning light but remains shaded during the harsher afternoon sun. If your home lacks sufficient natural light, consider supplementing with grow lights to maintain vibrant foliage growth. Watering needs: finding the balance. Finding the right watering schedule is crucial for your Syngonium milk confetti's health. Here's a simple trick. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's watering time. Avoid soggy soil, as this can lead to root rot. The frequency of watering will depend on factors like light, temperature, and pot size. Generally, you can expect to water your Syngonium milk confetti once a week during warmer months and less frequently during cooler periods. Humidity: creating a tropical oasis. The Syngonium milk confetti hails from a humid rainforest environment. Mimicking these conditions indoors helps it flourish. Here are some tips. Group your plants. Clustering your Syngonium milk confetti with other humidity-loving plants creates a mini microclimate that boosts overall moisture levels. Pebble tray trick: place your pot on a tray filled with pebbles and water. As the water evaporates, it increases the surrounding humidity. Humidifier: consider using a humidifier, especially during dry winter months, to maintain optimal humidity levels, ideally around 50 to 60%. Feeding frenzy: fertilizer for growth. While not strictly necessary, fertilizing your Syngonium milk confetti during its growing season, spring and summer, can encourage lush foliage. Use a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer once a month. Avoid over-fertilizing, which can damage the roots. Common problems and solutions. Even with the best care, your Syngonium milk confetti might face some challenges. Here's how to address common issues. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or excessive sunlight. Adjust your watering routine and provide adequate shade. Leggy growth. This indicates insufficient light. Move your plant to a brighter location. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites are occasional visitors. Regularly inspect your plant and treat them promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. My Syngonium addiction started with the confetti. It's a classic for a reason. The flecks of green and white on those arrowhead leaves are just delightful. But then I got the milk confetti, and wow, the creamy white takes center stage, with just a hint of green peeking through. It's like a whole new level of whimsy. Don't get me wrong, the original confetti is still a gem, but the milk confetti has stolen my heart and most of the shelf space, with its unique charm. Syngonium milk confetti versus pink spot. Oh, the struggle is real with these two. The milk confetti, as I mentioned, is a dream with its creamy white and green. But Syngonium pink spot? It throws a whole new color into the mix. Those soft pink tones add a pop of vibrancy that makes me smile every time I see it. Honestly, it's a toss-up. If you want a more subtle elegance, go milk confetti. But if you crave a playful touch, the pink spot is your pick. Syngonium strawberry milk versus milk confetti. Here's where things get interesting. The strawberry milk is like the milk confetti's younger sibling. It has that same creamy base, but with a blush of pink that leans more towards a sweet strawberry hue. It's undeniably cute. But the milk confetti, for me, has a more sophisticated air. The subtle green veins add a layer of complexity that the strawberry milk lacks. It all depends on the vibe you're going for. Perky and playful? Strawberry milk. Understated and elegant? Milk Confetti. Syngonium Milk Confetti, a rewarding addition. The Syngonium Milk Confetti is a captivating houseplant that offers a splash of color and life to any space. With its relatively easygoing nature and stunning foliage, it's a perfect choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your Syngonium Milk Confetti thrives for years to come. Remember, a little TLC, tender loving care, goes a long way. With consistent watering, appropriate light, and a touch of humidity, your Syngonium Milk Confetti will reward you with its vibrant energy, adding a touch of the tropics to your indoor haven. So, don't hesitate to bring this unique beauty into your home.